What's up, pranksters? Welcome to Sinnex TV. Next to me is Sin Fatal. Today's video, guys, we're going to be playing with slime. Well, not necessarily playing. We're actually going to show you some tricks on how you guys can sneak your slime into class using school supplies.
As you guys can see, we got a whole bunch of supplies in front of you, and we're both gonna pick a couple and show you guys how to sneak all this slime into your classroom.
Well, it's not a couple, it's actually 10.
Now, when we were growing up, slime, I don't even think it was invented, or was it?
I don't, maybe it was around, but it wasn't as popular as it is today.
What was popular when we were growing up was Pokemon cards. And I know you guys probably still to this day play with them. And I'm not saying we're old geezers, but I'm just saying Pokemon cards was basically what we grew up on.
And I remember that they banned them from school because I remember I took my Pokemon cards once and they took away my whole deck of cards. So, I don't know, I guess kids were fighting over it or they were just too distracted by them.
Yeah.
A couple years ago, if not last year, fidget spinners made it big and those were banned from school as well. Yeah. I don't know about slime, but I'm sure it's not allowed, right?
Yeah, I don't think slime's allowed. But it is going to be allowed in this video.
Because in this video, we're going to be showing you guys 10 ways on how to sneak your slime into class. Check it out!
Alright guys, so for this first one, I have a glue stick, as you guys can see here. Inside of this glue stick, you would say, how would I sneak slime into class with it? So, well, it's easy guys. Basically, all you gotta do is buy yourself a glue stick like this size or any glue stick that you want. And you just pop the top like this. Now you got your glue in there. All you gotta do is push it out like this. Try to do that as fast as possible for you guys. Okay, now it's all the way out. All you want to do is just tug on it and it should come out pretty easy, just like that, no effort. And now you got this empty space inside and that's perfect for slime. Next, you just take your little slime, next, and then you pop it out like this and let's see how much slime we could actually get into this glue stick.
You know what's cool about these is that we got them at Walmart for 50 cents. They were on sale.
Yeah, this is really cheap and it's really cool to have in your classroom.
It's really gooey, isn't it?
Yeah, this is really gooey. So let's try to get as much in there as we possibly can. Let's try to push that all in there. Alright, I think we reached our limit on this one. Cut it off there. Just like that. And this stuff gets so sticky, you might find it a little bit hard to get into certain areas. But once you get the hang of slime, then it won't stick on your fingers as much. And as you guys can see, I've stuffed this one with slime. And all you gotta do now, you put your cap back on. Now your teacher cannot tell that there's slime in there. So next time you're bored, you just pretend like you're gonna glue a piece of paper to nothing. And then you pull out your little glue stick, but now it's full of slime and now you got some entertainment on the side. See guys, and there you go, there's your slime right there. As much as you can actually cram in there.
It's a little stubborn, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really stubborn. It might be a little bit hard to get out, but once you get it out, now you have some little slime that you can play with in class. Maybe throw it at the back of one of your classmates.
Since pink is Sin Fatal's color, green is my color. Actually it's blue, but I like green. And I'm going to be using this slime to show you a few ways on how to sneak your slime into class. All you need is some packaging tape. What we're going to do is we're going to get some of our slime. We don't need to take the whole thing. Just a little bit of slime. And I myself am going to put it in a baggie. Make a little ball out of it. And then you're going to stuff it inside your roll of tape. Just like this. And look, from this angle, can you see it?
No, you cannot see that at all, huh guys?
Look.
Check that out.
So put this in your supply box, guys. For example, this one. And that's it. Whenever you guys are in need of using your slime, because you do get bored in class, just take it out. Look, you got your tape right there. You just slide out the whole bag. Look at that. I have full access to my slime. And now I can play with it in class. It is awesome and you'll kill a lot of time.
Alright guys, this next one, you got your slime, right? And it's really gooey, just like I have here. Now some of your slimes are like really stubborn like this one. It stays so stuck to my hand that you gotta really play with it. So this next secret compartment that you wanna hide your slime in, it's this little supply box. And now all you gotta do is just take your slime like this And when you got your pens in there, all you want to do is just let it land right on the corner like that. Look at that. Nice and snug, right? Doesn't that look cool, guys?
Yeah, well, you definitely want to keep it away from your pens and
yeah, just make sure
pencils.
that you put it right where you want it and not where you don't want it. So like if it gets on your pens, you're not going to want that, right? But this is pretty cool right here in the corner. And gives you room for anything else you want to put in there. So you just take whatever you want, put it back in there. What's cool about this compartment is that it's orange, and now you guys can get this at the store. They're really cheap, and it conceals your slime so you can't even tell what's in there. Next time you're bored in class, just open your little box, pull on your slime just like that.
Look, no residue or no slime left behind.
Yeah, no slime left behind. And then there you go, guys. Your slime's ready to go.
Guess what, guys? Look at my clipboard right here. Notice that the clip itself has a small compartment inside. Well, we're gonna use that to our advantage because we're gonna take some of our slime. So if you have a lot, just take a little bit, guys, like this. Put it inside a baggie because you don't wanna get slime all over your homework.
Take one of your mom's good old sandwich baggies.
So roll it up, guys. Make it as small as possible. And you guys can easily store it underneath the clip, just like this. Look at that. See, you can't really see my slime. And if you guys get bored again, you just lift up the clip and slide out your slime.
Look at that. Hiding in plain sight, guys. Another cool way to hide it.
These baggies come in handy for these little hacks, guys. Hey, what is that?
This is another compartment. It's a pencil holder. Now, these are really cheap. 50 cents and you'll get one of these. They're really cool. All you gotta do is just pop the top like this. As you guys can see, I put crayons in here. But it's usually for pens or pencils.
Your slime's
my slime's trying to get in there already. Now, what's cool about this is if you slide it inward like that, you have another compartment down there. And it's perfect for what, guys? Yep, you guessed it. Now check that out.
How cool is that, though, that you can actually sneak your slime into class?
We'll cut it off right there. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? All you guys want to do after that is just close it again, push it back in. So see, pull it out here, the teacher would be like, oh, he just got crayons in there. He's no big deal. Let him do whatever he wants. What she doesn't know is that if you push it in, look at that. What do we have here?
That's
a lot of slime. And then you just take it back out. And then just like that, guys, you're ready to go again. Slime-tastic.
Alright, so I got my little ball of slime right here. And I want to sneak it into class. And the way we do that is we roll it and we're going to wrap it around our pencil. So I got a green pencil right here and then we just wrap it around. Alright, and look at that. You can pass it off as a pencil grip. If you guys can mold it into something better looking than this, go for it. Just put this on your desk and look, teacher won't be able to tell anything. They blend in so well, doesn't it?
As far as how it feels with the pencil, what do you think, Next? Does it feel cushiony?
Yeah, well, I mean, it'll get stuck on you, but you just want to set this aside. And whenever you're ready to use it, just peel it off your pencil and start playing with it. Now, another way that you guys can use a pencil to hide your slime is the following. So I got my slime right here. I'm going to make a ball with it. All right, my ball is ready, and I'm going to put the eraser through, and then I'm going to wrap it. And that's it. And then when you guys get bored, just peel it off. And you have slime that you can play with.
Just like my glue stick, this is a chapstick and it works just the same. Now if you want a little bit of slime like I have here just to play with in class, and the best thing about when you have a little bit of slime is that you won't get caught, you know what I mean? So if you're in class and you're just playing with your hands, you're like, damn, that kid has a serious issue playing with his hands. What we're gonna do with this little chapstick I have here is basically the same concept as the glue stick. You just want to pop the top, push that chapstick all the way out just like I'm doing here. Alright, and then you just want to tug on it till it pops out, just like that. Now you want to lower it all the way to the bottom. Once you push it down, then you just take your slime and let's see how much of this little slime we have here can actually fit in there. This slime is very stubborn. Whenever you feel like you've had enough in there or as much as you can actually get in there, just cut it off there. And so now you want to take this one, push the rest back in there, take off the excess residue, and then put your cap back on just like that. So now when you're in class, the teacher's paying so much attention to you and she's like, oh, what the hell's Next doing in class? Or what the hell's Sin Fatal doing in class? His lips are chapped, so he's going to take out his chapstick and chap those suckers. That's what the teacher's going to think when she looks at you, right? But when you pop the top, bam, You got some slime in that mother. And let that slime flow, baby. And then you got yourself a little bit of slime. And you can play with this in class, have a little bit of fun with it. It's really neat, really cool. And a lot of you guys could do this because it's so cheap to do. Like the slime was like $1 and this was $1. So $2 and you can just have some fun.
Okay guys, right here I have a little box that contains some paper clips. It's clear, but it's plastic. Right here I have some crayons. These are really cheap crayons I got for 50 cents at Walmart again, just like the slime. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna empty out all the crayons. So, because we don't want any crayons in there. Now the box is empty. We're also gonna do the same thing with this box of paper clips. So let's dump them out. And what I like about this box is that it will fit in very, very snug inside the crayon box, just like this. Look how awesome that is. Now that we know it fits inside, let's take it out. Well, I'm gonna take some slime. I don't know if this whole thing will fit in there, but I'll take a good portion of this slime.
Try to get the whole thing in there. How about that?
Oh, let's try. Oh, wow. I think it can. Yeah. I think it's trying to. Yeah,
This little thing can hold a lot of slime.
Yeah, a lot of slime.
Look at that. It looks pretty cool. Nice and packed in there.
We're going to put this back in. Close up the flaps. That's it, guys. So if you get bored, just resort to your crayons. Open it up. Take out the little box. And there's your slime. Simple stuff. Look, now I can play with my slime.
Oh, so what am I doing now? I got a clipboard in front of me, and I also got some slime in my left hand. Now, what do you guys think I'm gonna do with this one? So you can pretend like you're gonna be writing, right? But in reality, what you're gonna be doing is taking this slime and hiding it in this little clipboard. Now, what's cool about this clipboard is it has a compartment just like this here. Now, it's pretty cool because all you can do is just let your slime flow in there and hide. If a teacher's approaching you, then bop, 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 boom. Just close it, back to work. There you guys go, look at that. Just close it, back to work. What's 1 plus 2? 7? Oh, okay.
Man, slime is really sticky. That's why I had to switch out my gloves. You put your glove back on, huh?
Yeah, I put my glove back on, guys. Those basically were 10 cool ways to sneak slime into your classroom and get away with it. Your teacher will never find out. It's a cool little thing you can do on the side, especially when you're bored in class. That was 10 cool ways to sneak in slime into your classroom. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope if you're new to the channel, you subscribe. Sinnex is back.
And I really like playing with slime, so maybe we can start doing more slime videos, because these are really fun. I like playing with slime. We're gonna try to come up with ways on how to make slime, right?
Yeah, if you guys want to see anything with slime, leave it down in the comments below. Anything you guys want to see done with slime, we can possibly do that. Just let us know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. As for me, I'm Sin Fatal, and this is Nextraker, and we'll see you later.